Configure and edit in multiple aspect ratios in Cutting Room. Go to Settings, click Outputs, and personalize the aspect ratios according to your needs. In the editor, we recommend that you first edit in 16:9, as this is considered the master version. To edit stories in different aspect ratios, select your chosen aspect ratio in the drop-down box under the Preview player. Changing what is focused on in a narrower aspect ratio requires setting keyframes. To do this, in the Preview player, click and hold the video as you drag it to your chosen focus area. A small diamond shape will appear in the player to indicate that a keyframe has been set for the video's placement. By setting only one keyframe, the placement of the video will remain in that position for the duration of the video. To change the placement of the video as it plays, you will need to set multiple keyframes. Identify what you want to focus on at different points in the video's duration. Go to the first chosen time on the timeline and click and drag the video in the Preview player to set the keyframe for the first focus point. Go to the second chosen time and set another keyframe by clicking and dragging the video to a new focus point. Notice that a diamond shape appears where each keyframe is set. Continue to do this for any other focus points you want to have for further moments in the same video. To delete a keyframe, select the diamond where the keyframe is set and press Delete on your keyboard. Setting keyframes in any one aspect ratio that is narrower than 16:9 will set the exact same keyframes in all other aspect ratios that are narrower than 16:9. Therefore, we recommend setting keyframes in your narrowest aspect ratio to ensure an accurate focal point for all other aspect ratios. In addition to setting keyframes, you can also change how graphics look in the different aspect ratios. Any graphic added in 16:9 will appear in the other aspect ratios. However, it might look different, so you will need to make adjustments. Note that adapting a graphic to better suit a certain aspect ratio will not change how the graphic looks or is positioned in the other aspect ratios. Some features of a graphic can only be changed in the master version, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio. These fixed features of a graphic will look the same in all the different aspect ratios.